Looking for the best 3D printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Prusa MK4 Malawian Kwachas. This is the best 3D printer you can buy on the market and sets a new benchmark for 3D printing quality with its exceptional precision and reliability. This printer features a robust die-cast aluminum frame and uses advanced 0.9 degree stepper motors that eliminate vertical artifacts. The standout extruder system, equipped with a load cell sensor, delivers perfect first layers automatically without user input. A key innovation is the implementation of input shaper and pressure advanced technologies, which significantly reduce print times while maintaining quality. The printer includes a high-performance 32-bit mainboard with silent stepper drivers, enabling smooth and quiet operation. The magnetic heat bed with removable PEI spring steel sheets ensures excellent print adhesion and easy model removal. Print quality is consistently impressive across various materials, from basic PLA to advanced composites like nylon and polycarbonate. The all-metal hot end design, featuring a quick swap nozzle system, allows for easy maintenance and versatility. The printer's advanced cooling system and precision thermistors maintain optimal printing conditions. Connectivity options include USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, with remote monitoring available through Prusa Connect. The color LCD interface, while not touch-enabled. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its impressive 600 mm per second maximum print speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, making it a standout in high-speed 3D printing. This Corksy printer features a direct drive extruder and quick detach nozzle system, allowing for versatile material compatibility including PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber composites. The enclosed design with dual air filtration ensures consistent print quality and reduces harmful emissions, while the printer achieves reliable results at practical speeds of 200 to 300 mm per second. It does have limitations with TPU, requiring significantly slower speeds. Notable features include auto-leveling, a PEI-coated flex steel build plate, and comprehensive connectivity options via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB. The all-metal frame construction provides stability during high-speed printing, while vibration compensation technology helps maintain print quality by reducing ghosting and surface artifacts. Number 3. Creality CRM4. The CRM4 stands out with its exceptional build quality, featuring dual Y-axis linear rails and a rigid triangle frame that ensures stability during large prints. The printer comes equipped with a Sprite dual-gear direct drive extruder and a volcano-style hot end capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with a wide range of materials including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and nylon. Its PC spring steel bed provides excellent adhesion and easy print removal, while the CRT Touch auto-leveling system ensures consistent first layers. The removable 4.3-inch touchscreen offers convenient control, and the 40/20 cooling fan with twin ducts delivers superior print cooling. Performance-wise, the printer handles overhangs well up to 75 degrees and produces minimal stringing. Additional features include power loss recovery, filament detection, and an 800W power supply that heats the bed efficiently. The dual Z-axis with belt sync effectively prevents gantry sagging and Z-wobble. Number 4. FL Sun Super Racer. The Super Racer is a remarkably fast Delta-style 3D printer capable of reaching print speeds up to 200 mm per second, roughly 3 times faster than standard printers. The printer features linear rails on its vertical supports and a lightweight print head, contributing to its speed capabilities, while it performs well at standard speeds around 80 mm per second. Pushing beyond this requires careful tuning, particularly for PLA prints where part cooling becomes a limitation. The printer comes equipped with a BMG dual-gear extruder, a volcano-style hot end that handles temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, and a heated glass bed reaching 100 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with PLA, PETG, and ABS materials. Notable features include auto bed leveling, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, and a 32-bit motherboard with TMC2209 drivers for quiet operation. The all-metal construction provides stability, though print quality may show signs of ringing at higher speeds without proper acceleration tuning.